Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Belvedere Park, local and long-distance movers near me. Moving from your home or office items over a distance of 50 miles or more is a long-distance move. We can help you perform both interstate and interstate relocation. We have professional working relationships with all local and federal authorities engaged in the relocation process. They have given us licenses to make long-distance moves with no hassle. To ensure maximum protection of your belongings, we have put insurance plans to cover any risk that may arise during the relocation. Our expert movers and drivers help plan and organize your move so that they are a rapid and safe transition of your new belongings to the new destination. Local moves are typically less expensive and less complicated than long-distance moves. At 3 Movers, we provide the cheapest and most efficient local moving services. We have a lot of experiences navigating busy cities, so we're the best option to conduct urgent moves. Locals in Belvedere are our biggest clients. They enjoy the cheap luxury we provide. Our hourly charges are very affordable, ranging from $30 to $40 per hour. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Belvedere Park moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.